Welcome to our channel. Today I have the honor of showing you how to clean the microphone on a Motorola G22 phone. So for cleaning, we need a brush with flexible bristles. The bristles should be soft or medium hard. We need 100% pure isopropyl alcohol. You can purchase both the diffuser and the brush in a set on Allegro or Amazon. If not, you can use a regular toothbrush. Just make sure it's soft or medium hard, otherwise you'll scratch the entire frame of the phone. Once we have everything prepared, the phone must be turned off. We never clean the phone while it is turned on. We spray the brush thoroughly with alcohol, and if you don't have a diffuser, you just dip it in alcohol. We take the phone in our hand. Here we have the microphone hole, and it is important that we carefully clean this specific area. We take the small brush and gently clean the hole using a single, consistent motion. You should perform at least 10, maybe even more, strokes in one single direction to ensure it is thoroughly cleared out. Then the same in the other direction, just always in one direction for a certain number of strokes, so that the dirt has a chance to come out of the hole. Then towards the screen. Then towards the dot, the same way. If the microphone is very dirty, it's good to repeat this process 2 or 3 times in each direction. So 20 to 30 strokes in each direction. Just to have a perfectly cleaned microphone. Then we turn the phone over to the other side. Check if there isn't another hole, because sometimes it happens that there is a microphone on the other side, but in this model there isn't. So we put the phone aside for about 10 to 15 minutes, so that the isopropyl alcohol evaporates, and then the phone is ready for use. We can turn it on and use it normally. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. I would really appreciate thumbs up, likes, subscriptions, and see you in my next video.